Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks for checking out my video today. Today's video, I am not doing an install. As you can see, I am at Wildwood, New Jersey Jeep Invasion. And today we're gonna do something different and just go check out some nice rigs. So let's go check it out. So guys, we just got back from the New Jersey Jeep Invasion in Wildwood. Overall, this was a great event and we had a blast. I definitely probably had too much food, too many drinks, and definitely too much sun because I'm gonna be nursing this sunburn on my back for the next couple of days. But when you're having fun, stuff like that just happens and you gotta deal with it. For anybody who has not attended one of these events, I highly recommend that you check it out. The Wildwood event is an annual event that happens in July, and it's a 3-day event for Jeeps only. It's basically an opportunity for thousands of Jeeps to come together, get on the beach, hang out, have a good time, and do Jeep stuff. The event has an obstacle course, it has a flexing platform where you can go flex your vehicle, see how it does, and then it has a bunch of vendors who are offering great deals and doing installations. I actually ended up scoring a really good deal from one of the vendors on a new bumper for the JL. And of course, I'm gonna be doing an install video of that bumper, so you'll have to stay tuned to check out that video to see how good of a deal I got and what I ended up going with. So I know in this video, I didn't necessarily get as much content as I wanted, but I'm hoping the content that I was able to capture gives you guys a good understanding of what happens at the event and shows you some of the cool Jeeps that do show up there. So one thing I wanted to mention was in this video, you'll actually see I went ahead and did the obstacle course. And you know, it's not really a crazy off-road course or anything, but it really does just kind of test your vehicle up and it's a good time. I knew it wasn't going to be really difficult with the 37s and the Acura lift, but what I wanted to do it was to see how good the Acura system would handle that course. I have to say I was pretty impressed by the outcome. It didn't have any struggles or anything. I had some little bit of rubbing in the front, and that's kind of expected when you're running a full width bumper and 37-inch tires. Hopefully in the future, I'll be able to take this on some harder trails to really test it out. But as I live in New York, there's not that much off-roading available. So I really have to plan it out in the future and see what we can do. At this point, guys, we're gonna wrap this up. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions or comments about Wildwood, post them below and I'll do the best to answer them. But at this point, guys, you'll just have to wait to see me on the next video. And maybe if you're attending, we can meet up at next year's Wildwood Jeep Invasion for 2024.